Okay, just want to do a quick recording to let you know what chapters the test would be over. So test 1 is open, it's ready for you. It's over chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4, and there's 55 questions. 50 of them are, well, they're all multiple choice. They're spread evenly among the 4 chapters. It's randomized, so you don't know, you're not going to get chapter 1 first and chapter 2 and so on. It's just kind of sprinkled throughout. Many of them are terminology. I would say about 10 of them, roughly, will involve some number crunching. So I would have a piece of paper and a calculator and a pencil sitting with me as you went through and did it. I like asking questions about journal entries, I'll tell you that. And so, chapter 3, your adjusting entries. Chapter 4, your closing entries. You're going to find those on the test also. And so to review the test, I think some things that you could do would be to go to the end of every chapter. And at the end of every chapter is what they call a study and review. I just happen to have chapter 4 open in front of me. And they go through different lessons and they kind of show you some highlights of kind of some of the main objectives that they cover throughout the chapter. They then also have key terms and concepts. I'm going to ask you questions about some of those key terms, so you might want to just review what those mean and where they are in the book. And they walk you through, they tell you exactly what page each key term comes from. And they also give you a review problem that might be worth doing, just to pull out some paper and just go ahead and do that and see how well that goes. And I think that's just a good review. And don't forget about some of the things that I've given you when it comes to studying. Also, you might just want to listen to the chats again, or the lectures again. You would possibly want to do some of the tutorials, like the adjusting entry tutorial, the study guide that I put in handouts, the some of those things like that. I think that those would help you. The test is timed. You have 3 hours. You will not be hurting for time at all. I don't think you'll be rushed to get through it. Obviously, it's open book, open notes, because I'm assuming that you'll just be doing this on your own, which you should be. And so before you start it in Cengage now, that's what I've got open, is just the screen to click start here. But just so you know, okay, you got 3 hours to do it. You only get the one chance. But before you start, just make sure you got a quiet space where nobody's going to bug you. You've got your book open, you've got any study notes open, you've got pencil, you've got paper, you've got a calculator, so you can make computations and whatnot. When you're done with the assignment in Cengage now, I will then transfer your grades into basically just our assignment that I created back in the LMS. I'm just showing it to you right here. So once you're done with it, I will then just enter your grades for you into the test 1 assignment that I created in the my.usf portal. When you're done with the Cengage Now assignment, then just one final thing then is just to go into the my.usf and just upload a document that says test 1 complete, just to register with my.usf that you've done the assignment in Cengage Now. Otherwise, I won't know you did it. But I will then transfer the grades from Cengage Now into my.usf. Basically, just once we pass the due date, which is March 10th at 11:55. So on the 11th is when I'll transfer that. Okay, so happy studying. Just make sure you've spent a couple hours reviewing the material before you start the test. I don't think you should not be crunched for time at all in any way, shape, or form when you do the assignment, but I can't give you unlimited time. It's 3 hours. I know is plenty of time to get it done. So if you have any questions about the test before you start it, be sure to let me know. Send me an email, and we'll go from there.